So the tapestry is complete. We used approximately 750 plants, ranging in size from a tiny plug to full flats of sedum to 2-inch to 4-inch plants. We've got 30 or 40 different varieties of sempervivum and probably 5 or 6 different varieties of sedum. And the beauty of this that I'm so excited about, and I've been so excited to be here, is how we can do this. We can do a beautiful tapestry for you cold hardy folk. Up here at Fort Jones, I was told that the zone is 7, although in this particular microclimate probably more like 6, that the temperatures can drop below freezing in the wintertime and often drop below 0 Fahrenheit. So it's just going to be so fun to see this change colors and to ebb and to flow. I'm excited to hear what reports I get and to see all of the photos of the garden throughout the year. I am going to be teaching a workshop in about a half an hour. We've got about a dozen people coming from the local area and beyond to learn how to do this in a small scale. Tomorrow's workshop is sold out, but hopefully I'll be back either later in the year or next year to do more.